Over a year ago, the presence of COVID-19 was discovered and drastically changed the lives of billions. According to the New York Times, within the US alone, there are currently 30.5 million cases of the virus, 552,000 which have resulted in death. The virus quickly spreads with human-to-human contact, creating an immediate need for social distancing and a new way for us to interact with medical professionals without putting them at further unnecessary risk. My name is Sebastian Espinoza. I'm a member of the Spherical drone team at Nemaxo Tech, and this year our mission is to help prevent the spread of the virus through the implementation of a safety drone. Our drone was initially designed to help promote safety within underground mines, but is now being converted into a COVID symptom monitoring drone. This year our group is split into two teams, a hardware team and a software team. The hardware team was able to use COMSOL to analyze the motors and overall drone's design's reaction to applied loads. Then by using this data, developed a lighter baseplate that will help improve the flight of our drone. In addition, our group utilized MATLAB to calculate and determine springs necessary to make a stable connection between our drone and its cage. The hardware team also worked to stabilize the flight controller for optimal performance and manufactured a housing unit to store all necessary electronics on the drone. Our software team was able to make updates to previous electronics, improve the flight of our drone, program thermal camera to record and report temperatures. In addition, they have begun programming the autopilot system of our drone using ultrasonic and infrared sensors, and established communications between the radio controller, flight controller, and Raspberry Pi. If you are interested and would like to learn more about our project, please come check out our poster and we will answer any questions you may have.